Is Freecash.com really one of the fastest ways to earn money online, or is it a waste of time? This is Free Ways to Earn Online. I have been a member of this platform for quite a while, and in this Freecash review, I'll give you an inside look. Most importantly, I will go over how much you can actually expect to earn so you can find out if this is the right platform for you or not. Who can join? So before I show you around and show you how it works, let's just go over the basics. So let's start by asking who can even join Freecash.com. And you can actually join from more or less all countries. And you can potentially also earn from more or less all countries, of course, as it is with sites like this in general. How much you can earn and how fast you can earn will vary depending on the country you live in, but I'll go more into details about the earning potential later. Let's now dive in a little bit more so you can see what you can expect from this platform. Once you have enough in your balance, and you can see your balance in the top right corner here, you can just go to the shop here and choose between the many different payout methods. You can choose to get paid in cash via PayPal once you earn $5 here, or you can choose between a few different cryptocurrencies and a lot of different gift cards, and you can also choose to get skins for different games. So it definitely has some really great reward options. You can withdraw a gift card. You just choose the gift card and the amount you want, and then you will get it in your email, so it is super easy. Usually, you will get your earnings very quickly. If it's the first time you cash out, they might have to manually approve it. But even when they have to do that, it's usually very quickly. And in my experience, it will be within a day or so. But for most cash outs that I have done here, I will get my earnings within a few minutes, sometimes half an hour, sometimes a couple of hours. It depends on the amount and if they have to approve it manually or if it will just instantly go through. Freecash.com does pay, and it pays quite quickly, and it has great payout methods. So now that you know that, let's then go over how to earn and how much you can potentially earn. How to earn with featured offers. So when you just log into Freecash, you just go to the Earn section here, and that's where you can see which options you have to earn. There are a few different options, and one thing you, in particular, need to pay attention to what is up here when it says featured offers. And this is something I have actually not seen on any other Get Paid to sites because here you will get a collection of the offers that are frequently done by people in my country. That means that the offers you will see here will likely be different than the ones that I see here. Why it's great to keep an eye on this is because it means that there's a good chance that you will be able to qualify for these and actually earn by taking these because sometimes, with other offers or surveys, there can be a difference depending on the country we live in. But up here, you will know that many people from your country have actually already completed these offers, and that's why it's great to keep an eye on this section, and a section that I actually really think is great that you have, and something that is really unique to Freecash. Earn by taking surveys. One of the most effective ways to earn on Freecash is by taking paid surveys. There is a survey section, so you just click on a survey either under Featured Surveys or under Survey Partners. You will get paid to take surveys for that particular provider because they do work with different providers. The first time you use them, you need to fill out a bit of basic profile information, and then you will get access to paid surveys. Survey Partners pays quite decently for the surveys compared to many other Get Paid to sites. But of course, when it comes to paid service, how many you will get access to will vary from country to country. In some countries, you will not find a lot of paid surveys. That is just how it is, and then you have to use some of the other earning methods instead, but in other countries, you will find a lot of paid services. If you live in a country where there aren't a lot of paid surveys, then do not blame me. That's just how it is. Do not try to cheat by using a VPN and fake your country or anything like that. Freecash will block your account if you try that. They have strict security because they know that some people are not able to do things honestly. So, of course, you will get blocked, and of course, you will not get paid if you try to cheat. And I explained this very clearly because I get a lot of questions about this, and the reality is just that, when it comes to paid service, the reason we can get paid is because some companies need market research, and they just do more. market research in some countries than in others, but the paid service in general is definitely something you should check out if you decide to join Freecash. How to get the joining bonus. So there's a couple of more ways you can earn. But before going over those two methods and how much you can potentially earn overall, then I would appreciate it to just take 1 second to like this video here because it can help it to be seen by more people. So one super easy way to get started is that they actually do offer a joining bonus if you join through an invitation link because they have a referral program where you can earn some extra commission. You can earn 5% commission if you invite other people to join. But what they also offer is that if you join through an invitation link, you will get 100 points for free into your account right away. And because I'm already a member, I, of course, have certain invitation links, so if you decide to join, then make sure to join through that. So you will get that joining bonus, and I will leave a link below this video here, so you can sign up through that and get those easy points to get a great start. The other option I want to go over is these leaderboard contests, and as you can see at the side here, it is the leaderboard. They give out a lot of really great rewards. If you are active here, of course, to get one of the top prizes, you have to be really active, and you have to live in a country where they have a lot of offers and a lot of surveys available, but it's definitely a great idea to keep an eye on these leaderboard contests. Get free daily bonus coins. One last earning option you need to be aware of here. You can see something called rewards here, and if you click rewards, you can see that they have different easy methods here. They have some daily bonuses where you can claim here, you can earn a little bit by following them on Twitter, and you can see there's a few other things as well. You can also see these with the promo codes where you can get a bonus, as I already mentioned earlier. I will leave a link below, so if you join through that, you will automatically get the bonus because I have such a promo code. It's automatically a part of the invitation link I will leave below. Let's now go over how much you, in general, can expect to earn and how fast you can expect to earn. How much can you earn and how fast? I know many people will ask me how long it took me to earn and how much you can earn in general on Freecash. And it is very difficult to give an exact answer because it really depends on your profile. How many surveys are you, for example, able to qualify for? And most importantly, which country do you live in? In some countries, there are just more surveys. And that's just how it is. So it is very difficult to give an exact answer, but on the website itself, you can see the newest statistics. Sometimes it will be lower or higher, and it's not guaranteed. So some people may have been able to earn higher dollars here, and some people were only able to earn lower. Freecash has quite good earning potential, and it is one of the fastest ways to earn because it has such a low payout threshold. So it's very easy to earn enough to actually get paid, and because they also pay out so quickly, it usually takes them a very short time to actually verify and actually pay out, whether you want to get paid out. So that means if you join and you just take, let's say, one survey, and then you withdraw, then you can maybe have your earnings in your account within half an hour. Or if they need to verify your account because it's the first time, it maybe will last a few hours before you will actually have the money, but you can withdraw very quickly. So overall, it has quite a good earning potential. This is a really great way to earn cash, and a really fast way to actually earn enough to get paid. So overall, Freecash.com is definitely legit. As you can see in this video, it does pay. It has a lot of great payout methods you can join from more or less all countries, and it gives quite good rewards compared to many other get-paid sites. So if you're not yet a member of it, then it is definitely one of the platforms I would recommend that you check out. I will leave a link below here so you can go there and sign up, and that link is my invitation link. So you will also get a 100 coin bonus entry account right away if you join through that link. I hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time on a video with tips and tricks about how to make money online.